To solve fundamental hydrodynamic problem, I'm using two different Decathlon pedal bar fins. One large fin is 20.5 centimeters and one smaller is about 20 centimeters. The secret line in this differential and geometry. When electric motor runs, the rotation of the propeller naturally generates torque steer and propeller walk, which constantly push the boat to the right, causing unwanted jab. By installation this specific asymmetrical combination of the larger and smaller fin, differential in drag perfectly counterattack and cancel out the rotation side force. The result, absolute deadly straight, hands-free tracking without need the rudder or constant steering correction. And of course it's plug and play just like the motor. As you can see, just slide in. Of course, secure it with pin. And that's it. No modification, no nothing, just plug in. We are going upstream. As you can see, Sava is big river. And that is the telemetry. 3 km per hour. And this we spent. No pedaling at all. Very windy condition now, as you can see. We are go downstream, so wind strong.